album that I just recorded, it's of course my first album, so it's very dear to my heart. I wanted to create an album that really portrayed myself and explained who I was as a singer. I'm very close to nature. I think my strengths are the high notes. That's really what I wanted to show, that the soprano voice can at least try to imitate the singing of many types of birds. You need to put an emotion into those notes, into those cadenzas that don't have words. And that's what birds do all the time. They sing and you kind of feel what they want to say through their song. When we selected the pieces, a lot of coloratura came along, but I really wanted to include some pieces that were a little bit more lyrical so that the listener can have a little bit of enjoyment and pause from the high register. And that was quite difficult to achieve, like to find the more lyrical pieces. We ended up with a couple, so I'm really happy with the selection of the 14 tracks that we have for you. It's been an absolute pleasure to work with the Filarmonica Transilvania. What a wonderful orchestra, like, wow.